morning, and yes, I just got up, so I look it. I thought I would show you. Dawn and I are going to put some bird seed out. We love feeding the birds. For any of you that don't know, we have 3 birds. And by the way, I sleep with a CPAP, so I haven't been up very long, so that's what that is. I'm not sure how to show. Yeah. See, honey? Say hi.
Hello.
We just bought. I can't turn the camera around, so I just have to do this. Anyways, we got this, it's called Valley Splendor Cardinal and Songbird mix. And since one of the birds we have is cockatiel, we thought we could use part of this to make up our own seed.
It'd be a lot cheaper than those little bags they have.
Well, yeah, because you spend like $10 for a little bag of seed. And this looks like it has a really good mixture of what cardinals eat. And then we can add, we have 2 parakeets, so we can use our parakeet mix with it. And then you just add like dried fruit. They love all kinds of dried fruit,
this
vegetables.
Has dried fruit in it.
Oh, he's putting it. See, I have to turn this around. He's putting it in this cooler.
That's where we keep it.
And then we got some over there. You can put this around the.
Well, I'm about to take that. I'm gonna put this.
Let's see. I'm not gonna be good at this shot. How about if we
we're just gonna fold this and carry it out there.
Yeah, we like to feed the squirrels too. We're not caring. We know the squirrels need to eat. So we're gonna take it over to our fire pit. You'll notice if you care to ever watch me that words tend to not come real easy to me, so I'm not for sure what that is, but I've kind of always been like that.
See the little sunflower? That's what those black oil sunflower seeds makes.
Okay, let me see if I can, since I can't turn the camera the other way, let's see if I can get it. So the black oil, I'm hoping it's showing. There's that little sunflower. Oh, and I drop things a lot, so here. I can't even see there.
Here, hold this.
Okay. Can we take it down?
Nope.
Then you'll have to lift it as high. Okay. You got a long way to go. And whatever we spill, trust me,
the squirrels get it.
Squirrels get in there. I hope this is catching it on the video. Honey, let me take it down.
Well, that's probably enough for now.
Now let's fill it up before we're out here. Okay, anyways. There. Yeah, that's just easier all the way around. Well, anyways, I had a really good birthday yesterday. I made a video and then took it down because I started not feeling too good. But I'm fine today, so I don't know if I'll re-put up that video or not, but I did make a video for anybody that I had told in the last video I'd be doing it. But then I decided to take it down. All right, so now we'll get to watch and see. I've got a couple videos on here, I think, of our backyard, which I tend to like to do. I like just being outside and showing whatever the weather's doing and sitting on the porch and that kind of thing. And here's my Kindle girl. I'll make y'all dizzy. I'm drinking my coffee. Our dog is a Havanese, and except she's a spotted Havanese. She's black and white, but they are playful, sweet, and friendly, and they really are. And her mouth is so tiny. Sometime I'll have to show it. Her bottom teeth, literally from like side to side, is about this big in between my fingers. That's it. I mean, that dog couldn't bite anything if she wanted. She barely can bite food. All right. Well, thanks for watching this much this morning.